Hello, good day. I'm Apostle AZ, Apostle AZ, of Friends of Christ Jesus Ministries. I have a question. Did you know that my first job, which was a formal job, was a trolley pusher at OK Zimbabwe? A trolley pusher at OK Zimbabwe. So this position entailed packing groceries for customers who would have paid at the till point, then ensuring that I escort them to the car park. So that was the first job, packing groceries for customers and ensuring that the customers were accompanied to the car park with the trolley. So if we read Psalm 113.7, it talks about lifting the needy from the garbage dump. So God is faithful. He really lifted me from the garbage dump. What was your first job? That's my question. What was your first job? Can you relate your experience with me? Thank you.